Good morning, Year 2, and welcome to your writing lesson this morning. We are going to start with just practicing our speech, okay? So we're going to write what we think the sheep is saying, the cow is saying, and the pig is saying. Remember your speech marks. Remember, try and have one that uses a full stop, one that uses an exclamation mark, and one that uses a question mark. One for each one. And remember your capital letter. It will annoy me if there's no capital letter. Off you go. Okay, so obviously I can't see what you've written. You could have done things like, why do I have a bell? Where is my shepherd? I want food. Things like that. Okay, I'm sure you came up with your own. Today, we are looking at apostrophes, and specifically when we use apostrophes to show possession. Big words there. So, first things first, what are apostrophes? What are they? So we've talked about apostrophes before when we've talked about contractions. Okay, so for example, the word can't is I will show you, is C-A-N apostrophe T. So that is an apostrophe, the little line above. Okay, but this isn't for possession, this is just for contraction. Okay, so we're using that apostrophe, but for a different purpose today. So this heading sounds a little tricky, so let us break it down. Possession means something that belongs to us, something that is ours. So an apostrophe is used to show that it belongs to them. So for example, Simon's dog. The dog belongs to Simon. Therefore, we put the apostrophe before the S. It's Simon's dog. The dog belongs to him, so we need that apostrophe in there. We can't just put S-I-M-O-N-S. We need that apostrophe to show that the dog belongs to him. Okay? So we're going to read the sentence and then have a think about why it sounds strange. The sleigh belonging to Santa was flying briskly through the air. Sleigh belonging, it's quite clunky. The sleigh belonging to Santa was flying briskly through the air. So how could we say that sentence? What's a better way to say that sentence? You get it? Santa's sleigh was flying briskly through the air. Okay. And for Santa's, sleigh, okay, that apostrophe to show that the sleigh belongs to Santa, right? As it shows us here, Santa's sleigh. So that apostrophe in S has replaced belonging to, because that's what it means. It belongs to it. It belongs to that person. So the sleigh is Santa's. He owns it. Okay. Right. When we say or write that something belongs to someone or something, we always add an S to the end of the word. But we also add an S for when there's more than one of something. For example, cows. Okay. So for example, you've got cow's milk, which tells me that there's lots of cows who have milk, as opposed to cow's milk, which is one cow and their milk. Okay, so that's lots of cows, that's one cow. Okay. So here we've got the ball belonging to the cat. We get rid of the belonging to, put the cat at the start, it becomes the cat's ball. The ball belongs to the cat, it's the cat's ball. Okay, what about these ones? Have a go. What would these become? So we've got the cake belonging to the girl, the flag belonging to the fort, and the horse belonging to Count Montgomery. Ooh, very fancy. Can we make these a shorter caption with our apostrophe S. So I'll do the first one with you to help. That first one, we would say the girl's cake, because we've got rid of belonging to, and we've put an apostrophe S to show that the cake belongs to the girl. Can you do the other two? Okay, so this one should have got the fort's flag. And then here, Count Montgomery's horse. So well done if you got those. Okay, so in the bright sunlight, the flower belonging to Maya opened beautifully. Carl could not find the coat belonging to his mum anywhere. Okay, so now it's in a sentence. Can you write out the full sentence, but using that apostrophe for possession? So changing it slightly to make it more succinct. Off you go. Right, so for this, hopefully you have written in the bright sunlight, Maya's flower opened beautifully, because we've got rid of belonging to and put in that apostrophe S for, because the flower belongs to Maya. It's Maya's flower. And then Carl could not find Mum's coat anywhere, because whose coat is it? It is Mum's. Okay, so we get rid of belonging to. Carl could not find Mum's coat anywhere. So this is what you're going to have a go at. This is in Teams to help you, and then you're just going to have a go at rewriting some captions and sentences, putting in those apostrophes for possession. All right, good luck. I'll see you all later. Bye-bye.